Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pusha Maseko and this is the life of Pusha Maseko. If you are new here, welcome. On today's video we're gonna do eyebrows. The last video that I posted was not close enough and it was not clear enough, so also make sure that you watch in 720 HD or 1080 HD so that you can see everything clearly. You just need a few tools just to do the look and you're good to go, period. You need a concealer or a foundation. You need a flat brush. You need a brush, like maybe like a spoolie that you can use. You need a mirror. What else? And you need an eyebrow pencil and the Passion Pro eyebrow pencil. I got it from Discam, and then the foundation that I'm using now, I got it from Clicks. And here I was ensuring that my eyebrows align with my nostrils. They have to align with your nostrils to give you that, you know, bougie look. So yeah, I'm so happy here and they are done. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.